Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Solvers. Here I want to find f of 32 where f of 2 times x equals f of x to the power of 2 and f of 2 is square root of 2. This is a good question for those preparing for GRE and the difficulty level of this question is medium as is shown by this orange color here. Alright, let's solve this. We know f of 2 equals the square root of 2 and f of 2 times x is f of x to the power of 2. I'll use these two and try to find f of 4. Why is that? Because I can write 4 as 2 times 2 and this is very important, okay? So this equals f of 2 times 2. This is very important because if I can write it in the format of f of 2 times x, then I can find the answer for it because then it would be equal to f of x to the power of 2. So here, this is telling me that x equals 2. So the answer for this f of 2 times 2 is f of x, which is 2, f of 2 to the power of 2. And we know what is f of 2 already. We know f of 2 equals square root of 2. So this equals square root of 2 to the power of 2 and this equals 2. That means f of 4 equals 2. So again, knowing that f of 2 equals square root of 2 and f of 2 times x is f of x to the power of 2, we could find f of 4. And now in the next step, I'll use this fact and try to find f of 8. Why? Because I can write f of 8 as f of 2 times 4. And in this case, then that means I am assuming that x equals 4. And this is again very important because if I can write it in this format, I can find f of 2 times x by having f of x to the power of 2. So this equals f of x, which is f of 4 in this case, to the power of 2. And we have already calculated f of 4. We know f of 4 equals 2. So this equals 2 to the power of 2, which is 4. So f of 8 is 4. In the next step, by knowing this, we can find f of 16. Okay, so now you probably can guess what are the next steps. Well, f of 16, I can write it as f of 2 times 8. This case, that we are having x equals 8, and this equals f of x, or 8 in this case, to the power of 2. And we know that f of 8 is 4 from the previous step. This means we have f of 8 to the power of 2 equal to 4 to the power of 2, and this equals 16. And in the next step, I can find f of 32, what we were looking for from the beginning. Okay, and this equals, I can write 32 as 2 times 16. And this means x is 16 in this case. So this equals f of x, or f of 16 to the power of 2. f of 16 equals 16. So 16 to the power of 2 is 256. And this is the final answer that we were looking for. So I can write this as f of 32 equals 256.